All right, I wanted to show off these lights. These are the Wenaty, W-E-N-A-T-Y solar spotlights, and it's dusk out here, and you can see that I've got it shining up on the house, but I've also got some spread around the yard, like shining in the trees and other things, just kind of illuminate the landscape. So a few things to know: these get really good reviews on Amazon. They come in warm white or cool white. You can get a 2-pack, a 6-pack, or a 12-pack. I got the 12-pack. They also automatically come on and automatically turn off based on the light. You can see the solar panel there. They're also waterproof with an IP65 rating on that. There's 3 modes, so there's a button under here, and look, I'll press it, and that's low, medium, and high, okay? You can set them on whichever brightness that you prefer. But so far so good. They have a plastic step stake here, and they slide on there. Of course, you want to make sure you get plenty of sunlight to be able to recharge them. But they automatically come on at dusk and look good shining up on my house. So hope this video is helpful, giving you an overview of these popular